Greetings everyone, this is Tape City here, and welcome to a special YouTube tutorial. I'm Tape City, and today I'm going to show you a neat little trick. And you'll be amazed that Minecraft even does this to begin with. So have you ever been in Minecraft and you see a player with a really cool skin, or an NPC with a really cool skin, like here's the Reforged NPC on Hypixel Skyblock? And nothing too spectacular, but if you ever came across an NPC, here's Avalon here, and you wanted Avalon skin, for instance, you're like, oh wow, this is a cool skin, I kind of want to have the skin on myself now, and I'm like, oh crap, I don't know how I'm going to find it. And chances are it's going to be like one in a bajillion, unless it's some famous skin like Skydust Minecraft or Hypixel for Technoblade skin. You're probably not going to be very likely to find it. But I have known this since 1.9, and most of you guys probably don't know it, is Minecraft stores cached copies of player skins and NPC skins and minion skins on your Minecraft installation, and all you really need to know is to know where Minecraft stores is, where your Minecraft installation is. So in Windows it's app data, roaming, Minecraft, etc. Mac and Linux users it's different. But essentially today I'm going to show you how to get NPC and player skins without having to go through all the trouble of looking on like the NameMC, Novaskin, Skindex, any kind of skin sites. Miners need cool shoes, like 20 bajillion different skin sites nowadays. But yeah, and this does work, and you don't really need to know anything. So I will show you two different ways of doing this. I'll show you this individually, like one file at a time kind of thing, just to show it works. But I use a couple file managers to do this, since I ended up with, like, the first time I did, I had like only 111,000 Minecraft skins, and I'm like, oh lord. And also, if for anyone wondering, that's how I managed to find the Star Sentry skin, and that's what made me want to make this tutorial, because I wanted the Star Sentry skin. Just to fool players around in the Dwarven Caverns, maybe doing a Star Sentry, and they're like, hey, wait a minute, this ain't a Star Sentry, that's a player. And I also did the same thing to troll the spooky phantoms, the phantom spirits, and spooky events. Of course, in that case, I found the phantom spirit skin by accident on NameMC. But usually, you're more likely to see a cool skin. You probably aren't going to be lucky enough to find it. So anyways, as you can see here, here is Iris. So if you wanted Iris' skin, you can get it. Want the flower minion skin? Of course, it's just a player head. You can get it. Want Avalon skin? You can get it. Want the Merfolk minion skin? You can get it. Want the snow minion skin? You can get it. Want the Jerry skin? No, it don't work on villagers because they're already in Minecraft. But yeah, so if you wanted a decorative item head, let's see, like the cakes for instance, you can get them. If you want the decorative pumpkin, you can get it. Want the berry bush? You can get it. Want the other berry bush, because it's slightly different, you can get it. So I will show you first with a couple of file management programs that I found online, and also show it by hand without the programs, just to prove this does work. And I will also test some of these skins out in a skin viewer that I have on my computer. So without further ado, I am going to stop recording here, and it will switch over to Bandicam. So you're going to see the stupid Bandicam watermark there, but oh well, that's a small price to pay for this tutorial. So give me a moment, and I will get everything set up for the tutorial on how to do this. Okay, so what you're going to want to do for this tutorial is, first you're going to need to know where your Minecraft installation is. I have it as a shortcut on my desktop for screenshots, but you're going to want to go to wherever your Minecraft is installed, which would be app data, roaming, Minecraft. And then you want to go to assets, and you want to go to skins. And as you can see here, you're going to see an awful lot of hexadecimal folders, and each one of these is going to have a varying amount of skins in there. Some might have 1, some might have 5. So as you can see here, this folder here has 5 skins. This one here has 5 skins as well. This one has 4, and so on and so on. But one thing you're going to notice is all these cached skins are just simply listed as file instead of the actual PNG. Why Minecraft does that, I honestly don't know. But there is a way around it. So what I'm going to do is I have an example set up in downloads, new folder, and skin tutorial. So I cleared my skins folder once before starting up Minecraft. I went to a couple servers. I went to Hive, just ran around the lobby for a minute. Then went to Hypixel, missed around on my island, and then ran around the Dwarven Caverns. And I mainly ran around there so I could get the Star Sentry skin if I was lucky enough for that event to happen. Because it always seems like every time you want XYZ event in the Dwarven Caverns, at least for me late, since it came out, you get everything but the stupid event that you want. Or if you get the event, you're unlucky enough like me, you crash in the middle of it and then you lose your progress. But anyway, so I copied all the skins after I ran around the areas where the skins I want are and put them in this folder here. So first I'm going to do it on a basic level. I'm just going to copy and move. So unfortunately, Minecraft, when it stores your skins, stores them as a whole bunch of letters and numbers, and it's just like, so you have no way of knowing what's what. And I think that's for security reasons, but then again, that's something I don't know. But if you don't know what the file is, you're going to have to theoretically, well, what you're going to have to do is merge all the folders together into one, and in my case, it's going to take forever to do. So I have a program called Folder Merger. So it takes all the folders in here and merges them into one. You can choose whether to keep the source folders or not. Of course, in this situation, I don't want the source folders to have their folder structure. Otherwise, it'd still be in a mess now. So I made an example folder and had all the skins and stuff moved there. So as you can see, everything's now there. And then I use the file renamer here to simply load up the example folder I have here after everything got merged, and then renamed everything to PNG. So everything now is a working PNG. And then I'll go back here, and here's my example output folder. As you can see, now you have skins, working PNG skins. So as you can see, there's all kinds of skins here. Some of these are runes. So like this skin right here, I think is one of the runes on Hypixel. This skin here is like a gold ore block that I see in the Dwarven Caverns. I have no idea what that skin is. But this is the easiest way to get NPC skins without having to look everywhere for them. So like, oh, you can see here's there's a tier 12 cobblestone minion skin. I can see that from the distance. That's tier 12. And there's only like 2 minion skins on display there. So as you can see, there's all the NPC and player skins. So some of these skins are player skins. Most of these are NPC skins. So the dwarves are hidden here. I think this might be the Wandering Trader NPC on my island. There's a cheeseburger. I wonder where that came from. And there is, I don't know what that is. Looks like that's a birch log, and I don't know what that skin is. So, needless to say, and you'll be surprised some outrageous skins that show up when you go looking for it. And here's the Fairy Soul skin. As you can see, there's the credits for it and whatnot. But this method, as of 1.8 through 1.12, and I think it works in 1.16. And it probably will work until Mojang changes it or something, but this is the surefire way to, if you ever wanted a certain skin that you can't find, like, I think there's the Skyblock lobby. Oh, there's the Star Sentry. How about that? I found it, and needless to say, fun fact, it took me like 3 hours to find it when I first did it because I had like 111 skins. I'm like, oh crap. Didn't find it, and then did this and got it by luck. But as you can see here, there's all these skins here. Here's, I think, the Emerald Ring. Here's another rune. I'm not sure what that one is. Some of these I don't know what they are. And of course the dwarves are scattered here. And if you're wondering, Tape, why do you want the NPC skins? Well, I wanted to troll the Star Sentries, just pun intended, and be a Star Sentry for a day, but also I might mess around and make some renders and junk. And if to do that, you're going to need a skin, and this will save me so much time trying to look for these skins on skin sites and anything. But for those of you who don't want to do a file manager or anything, I will show you the hard way of doing it. So I'll go back to my skin tutorial, and what I'll do is, here's one skin. So what I'm going to do is I'll right click it and I'll add .png since it's a file, and poof, it has turned into a usable skin now. So in this case, this is a squid skin. So then I'll go over here and do it again. It will let me. Oops, no, I don't want to open it. Add .png, and poof, that is wow, that's a Steve. Great. And then this one, PNG, and it is, I am not even sure what skin that is supposed to be. So let's see, I'll move around here. Here's a one random skin. Let's see what this is. PNG. That looks like it's probably a talesman or something. I think the Star Sentry is somewhere in D. So let's see. And that's why PNG. No. PNG. Oh, I messed that one up. Yep, I messed that one up, but it shouldn't affect anything. Yep, okay, that one worked. So, yep. But as you can see, this is a foolproof way of getting Minecraft skins that you probably would never be able to find otherwise. Okay, Star Sentry was in that folder after all. It started with D something. But anyways, and of course, if you do it the hard way, going through each individual one of these folders, it's going to take forever. So it might be recommended to get a file manager like File Renamer if you wanted to rename each folder individually. And also, in my personal preference, because I had so many the first time, and I didn't realize I'd have that many after all, a folder merger, but these are optional. So, and then once you're done, you can just run around, and I'll open Skin Viewer up and show you what I'm talking about with the skins to show that they actually do work. So I'll go back to my example folder when I was messing around with this, and I'll just drag and drop a skin. Here's a skin, here's a knight, here's some wood planks, there's Steve, there's what the, okay, I did not expect that. Here's a little miniature TNT, which is obviously used just as the head decoration. Let's see, can I find my Star Sentry? Here's Star Sentry. Okay, too many skins. But as you can see, this is a surefire way. Here's an acacia log. That looks interesting. I think that, looks like the Flash. But as you can see, here's a little mini emerald block. Sorry about that. Bandicam just randomly crapped on me. I forgot I don't have the full version. It's just a trial, so it limits 10 minutes. It didn't warn me. And here's here's one of the Hive NPC skins. As you can see, it's the chicken. I wanted the Death Run NPC skin from there. Oh, here's my favorite Auction Master. So, as you can see, this fully works, and you don't have to hack or do anything stupid. You just copy, if you know where your Minecraft installation is, just copy your skins folder. Here's one of the runes. I'm not sure which rune this is. I think this one's the lava rune. Here's a stack of books. And for anyone wondering what a minion skin looks like, here is one of my minions. I think this is the gravel minion. And then here's what a tier 12 cobblestone minion looks like if it were just a head. Pretty cool. So anyways, this is Tape City with a pretty quick and impromptu tutorial. And what the... I think that's another one of the Hive skins. And what the kind of skin is that? Yeah, let's see. Oh, there's the berry bush. I have that as a decoration. And then here's a prismarine. But as I was saying, this is Tape City. Thanks for... Holy... What kind of skin is that? I don't want to ask. Here's a goblet. Here is a... Oh, there's my mushroom minion. Here is... I think this is the bee pet. Oh, there's the bazaar agent. I already had him. And there's a... I think that's a gator. There's TNT. There's this. I think this is the hearts rune. But as you can see, this is a surefire. If you wanted to just wanted to grab a rune skin and have it as a decoration in your single player world, now you could. And here's a... Okay, that was not what I was expecting. Let's cover it up. Oh, here's an orc. Wow, that's actually a pretty good orc skin, to be honest. So, you never know what you're going to find when you go nosing around the skins. You're probably going to find some inappropriate skins like that Jerry one I just found. So, be advised that you might come across some rather inappropriate crap. And I actually did do this. And, oh, here's a puzzler. And I was actually facing the wrong way when I looked at the puzzler. Wait, was I? Yeah, I was looking the wrong way when I did the puzzle. So that might be a bug. There's another one of the Hive NPCs. And here's one of the dwarves. This is one of the guards. There's one of the auction guys. But anyway, I'm Tape City. Thanks for watching this sort of impromptu tutorial on how to get NPC skins and player skins that you probably aren't ever gonna find again. And there's my iron minion. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day. I hope this tutorial helped you. And here's a player skin that... And of course my skin viewer doesn't render slim arm skins. It's an old program, but it still works. And there's that. And there's another one of the guards. What skin is that? But anyway, I probably said this for like the 5th time now. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. I really hope this tutorial helps you. And if you want to see more interesting stuff, subscribe to my YouTube channel because I do intend on posting more stuff soon. I'm going to post a Tape Talks first about outlining what I want to do. And, oh, Hypixel. I even had Hypixel skin catched in the tutorial. So how about that? That's awesome. And there's a bazaar, there's Deadpool. So thanks for watching and have a nice day. And what is this? Looks interesting. There's a bag. Oh, there's my backpack. I'm probably going to have fun just looking at all these skins and... That's weird. What is this?